Why do you want to put the banners at my residence, in front of my house? They don't want peace in Ballari. The public is totally against them. So they are under frustration. Just they choose the criminal way. They want to come in the criminal way.
ಗಾಲಿ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆಲಸದ ನಾಗರಾಜ ಇಬ್ಬರು ನಗರದ ಬ್ರೂಸ್ಪೇಟೆ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ರತಿ ದೂರಿನ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ನಗರ ಶಾಸಕ ನಾರಾ ಭರತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸೇರಿದ ಹಾಗೆ 41ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣವನ್ನ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ, ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ನಡೆಸಿರೋ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಜನ ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಜನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಿರಾಶ್ರಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪರಾಧ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನನ್ನ ನಿವಾಸದ ಎದುರೇ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಗನ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಗುಂಡಾಗಳನ್ನು ಕರೆತಂದು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಾಂಬ್ಗಳು, ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ತರ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಂತಹ ಘಟನೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ನಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆರೋಪವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Attack me only. That is from the beginning, even his father's time, because they don't want peace in Ballari. So when BJP government was the last time when I am minister, the real development has been seen by the public in BJP period only. Now they are not in a position to do even a small work. So the public is totally against them. So they are under frustration. So they are, just they choose the criminal way. They want to come in the criminal way. That is.
Did you talk about the party leaders? Did you mention that?
Yes, our state in charge, Mr. Radhamohan Das Agarwal, he spoke to me, and Mr. Ponguleti Sudhakar Reddy also has spoken. Vijayendra, Ashok, opposition leader, and even Chalwadi Narayan Swamy. Everybody they have spoken to me.
The last final question is the Maharshi Valmiki third on the day have decided the program. It will be going on the proposal.
So even will 100% we will support. See, when I am minister and Sramulu is minister at the time of BJP government only, we have constructed 8 crore central air conditioned Valmiki Bhavan and we installed 20 feet Valmiki statue. Also the same SP circle. Now tomorrow they want to inaugurate the Valmiki statue. Already we have installed 25 years before only a Valmiki statue over there. And earlier the name of the circle is the SP circle. So we have named as a Valmiki circle only. And even we have installed Valmiki statue. In spite of that, again he is now going to install one more Valmiki statue. We welcome. But why do you come to home? Why do you want to put the banners at my residence, in front of my house? And why you bring all the gundas with the private gunmen and with the bottles, beer bottles, petrol bombs, stones?
Do you think Home Minister will take action without?
See, because he even have 100% confidence in Mr. Siddaramaiah, also D.K. Shivakumar, also Home Minister, because politically maybe Siddaramaiah he fought against me. I always used to fight against Siddaramaiah, but never this kind of criminal things he will encourage. This is only my hopes, but I don't know, God only knows. But yesterday, the incident, the way it happens, never it happens in, not only in Ballari, in Karnataka, never it happens.
ಇನ್ನು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಹಿಂಸಾಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಶಾಸಕ ನಾರಾ ಭರತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಡೆದ ಈ ಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಜನರೇ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದಾನೇ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ತನಿಖೆ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ತನಿಖೆಯ ವರದಿ ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊರಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಘಟನೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೊಣೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ. ಈಗ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಶಾಂತಗೊಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತನಿಖಾ ವರದಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I don't want to say who is responsible right now. Everyone knows that BJP people were involved in this incident yesterday night. But from today morning, the police investigation has started. The police investigation will come out very soon. Then the people will know who is responsible for this incident.
Is this not a law and order collapse situation, sir? Because you are
No.
the MLA here, police and government is yours.
Yes, government is ours. That is why I was not in town. I travelled from other place and came to Ballari to settle the situation. Today I am here to settle the situation. The situation is settled now.
Our MLA is showing that bullets, some are bullets is showing in the hand.
He's
that the Congress?
See, you people very well know about him. He is a very big liar from many years. Whatever he says is not true. Please don't trust him. He is not trustworthy. He says he fabricates news and spreads to the people. Then it's better not to give more importance to his fabricated news. Yes, because our party person has passed away. Because of that, we have postponed the program. In recent days, we will announce the schedule. No one is interfering into this. Because when the investigation is going on, no one will interfere. Even I can't interfere, Nagendrana can't interfere, Chief Minister also cannot interfere. The police are taking care of the investigation. Let the investigation report come out.
BJP President Vijayendra has visited your constituency.
In every taluk, every MLA is Gunda to Mr. Vijayendra. I urge to Vijayendra, first let him see what is his background.
It is outrageous on the part of Congress MLA Bharat Reddy. Bharat Reddy and his supporters had created ruckus near the house of former minister and MLA Janardhan Reddy's house. See, unwanted situation has been created. The way the incident has took place yesterday at Ballari near Janardhan Reddy's house, it clearly indicates there is no fear for police department. Police station has become a Congress offices, because of which such incident has taken place yesterday. Bharatiya Janata Party will strongly condemn this Gundaism act by the local MLA Bharat Reddy. I demand Home Minister Parmeshwar to take serious note of this issue and ensure the culprits has to be arrested. Whoever has used the gunshots, they needs to be arrested.